You could really put this on anything. Oh, now. Welcome back. Or should I say welcome back to me, because I have been missing from YouTube for about 2 weeks. I think reaching 3-week mark. I mean, I say it over and over again, but it is busy season with work. So it's just, man, I know I'm eating like 4 times a day, but just to set everything up again is just like, takes so long, and I gotta like see what I want to eat. Sometimes I'm too hungry and I just want to eat like just without being recorded and just like inhale all this food. And like while I'm inhaling the food, like sometimes I think like, man, this would be good content. But yeah, today, okay. Oh, last week, the reason why I didn't record was because it was bananas. The weather was crazy here.
In the western U.S., it has been a hot one, and those high temperatures are expected to continue. So this is very serious heat.
It was like 100, like it was just triple-digit weather every single day.
So this is very serious heat.
Nighttime would be like 90 degrees. It was just so hot. I was just pissed off at every moment. I mean, it's still kind of hot right now. Not too bad. No, I think it's like 85. Not too bad, but yeah. Thank you for coming back, joining with me today. We're gonna cool down with some cucumbers. This is a really good snack to try for those who haven't tried it. I mean, where were you like living in a rock or something? But it's just cucumbers. We got, you know, Tapatio. I'm sure you could use like other hot sauces like Valentina and all that stuff. But Tapatio is my favorite. That's why I have a big jug of it. I always need a jug of Tapatio with anything I eat. Even if it's like Korean food with rice and meat, I need it. And you want to get one of these bad boys. It's a Tahin. You can find it at any market. I got this at Stater Brothers, and I got the one with lime. Just add a little zest. You know, you could really put this on anything. You know what I mean? Anything you're snacking. You know, jicama, you know, cucumbers, anything just to add like a little bit of bang, like even mangoes, to be honest. But today I got cucumbers because it's hot outside. I want something refreshing, and I want something salty and good and savory. I'm salivating as I look at this right now. It's so good. And you want some lime, a lot of generous lime in there, like just like a soup of lime. I hope I put enough in here, but yeah, it's just so good. Maybe put some ice cubes if you want. It's a really good snack, and it beats eating all those processed foods, you know, you find at the grocery stores, like chips and all that junk. Even although I will eat chips after this video, but if you just stick to this and you go to bed, you know, and drink a bunch of water, then you know what? Over time, you're gonna realize, man, I'm losing weight and whatnot. But that's not me right now. I eat really bad, so I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna eat this. Ooh, now. Woo! And it's finger licking good, you know what I mean? Woo! Wow. And I already feel healthy, you know? Oh, you know what this is really good with too? Potato chips. Ooh. Alright, hold on, I need to catch my... Ooh, damn. Why is anything good with lime and hot sauce? Like lime and chili. Literally, it's the best thing after peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Or, you know, like, you can find this kind of sauce anywhere. Takis, you know, chips, like even like cup ramen. Like if you just put lime and hot sauce, it's bomb. Just from anything from Mexican culture, Asian culture, it's the best combo, and you could literally dip anything in there and make it taste good. Yeah, obviously don't forget about the tahini, but I only put this on like cucumbers and like, yeah, that's about it. But, you know, I used to eat this as a kid and it still hits. It's still bomb. So you guys, I encourage you, you know, cucumbers, it's like, what, 80 cents per freaking cucumber? I had like 2 whole cucumbers sliced in there and I'm freaking full. Woo! And look, the best part is I'm full. It tasted bomb. And now I feel healthy. You know, too bad I'm gonna eat some junk food later, but still, this is my first meal of the day and I feel great, you know? You know, obviously I need to work out, but this is a start. So, yeah, you know, right now we're looking to buy a home and hopefully I will be uploading more then because I will finally have my own office room. Yeah, you know, there will be more content. So thank you guys, especially my day ones, for sticking around and watching me plate by plate, video by video, just creating this content for you guys to enjoy and even get some ideas, you know. Leave a comment if there was someone out there that didn't know that this combo was going to be bomb. Like in my world, like this is something I grew up with, so super common. So maybe like, you know, more people from Westerners, maybe. I mean, you really gotta love hot sauce though, you know? So if you don't do good with spicy food, then maybe you could like kick back on the Tapatio. Just put lime and Tahin. Tahin's good, you know? Lime and Tahin. That would work, but I just like Tapatio on everything. So, woo! There's Tapatio chips, you know, like the Doritos. Those are so good. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I will be back. I'm going to Napa this weekend for work. Man, I'm gonna enjoy some wine. And yeah, after this, I'm just gonna go back to my office and start editing because I'm so behind on my work and I need to edit this. So, all right, guys. Well, take care. It was a pleasure. Eat healthy for now. I'm gonna eat some like Arby's next video or something. Peace.